some holiday cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
With the kids jingle belling,
everyone telling you be of good cheer,
It's the most wonderful time of the year, Hey!
It's the
It's the happiest season of all, with those holidays, readings, and gay happy feelings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all, There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. It's the most wonderful time
of the year. There'll be much
mistletoe and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful, most marvelous, most fabulous, most joyous, most wonderful time of the year.
the most wonderful
Time of the year. Noel!
Thank you so much. We are the Voices of Liberty. Welcome to our home, the American Adventure. Now, we're going to be singing in the next few moments, but we want to let you all know this dome enhances our a cappella singing. It's a much better show underneath the dome. So we're going to make a little bit of room for you. If you're seated on the floor, you've got the right idea. Let's just scoot up right here to the edge of the red circle. Let's fill in all available space so we can make room for all our friends, especially those of you behind the benches and underneath the balcony. Come on in and have a seat. For those of you that are behind.
I know.
But while we're all moving and getting ourselves settled, want to know who's having fun at Epcot today? Who's having fun? We are as well, and we can't wait to share some of our favorite songs of the season. Now, you know, Christmas is not the only holiday celebrated this time of the year. Many of us soon are going to be celebrating the Festival of Lights, or Hanukkah.
Oh, Hanukkah, come by the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat.
dreidels to play with and latkes to eat.
And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they will share.
side of the state of Florida. Up north, where it's a little bit cooler. Do we have any Floridians? Oh, wonderful. That's great. We are so happy you are all here, but we'd like to dedicate this next song to those of you from the Sunshine State.
I'm dreaming. Just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops listen and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow, 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 Oh, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. With every Christmas card I write, may your days be merry and bright. And may all your Christmases
With this gathering of nations around the World Showcase Lagoon, we're reminding Christmas is celebrated all over the world. This next group of songs comes to us from the icy tundra of Ukraine.
Sweet silver bells, all sing to sing, brokers away, Christmas is here, bringing a cheer to every home, ding and a ball, ding, 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 dong, down is the song, ring, triple ring, loud merrily, once to hear words of the cheer from everywhere, filling the air, all the long race in the sun, God, and time in the tail, in the rain, while people sing songs of the cheer, Christmas is here, Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas, Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas, sing with his hand, down with the hand, ding, triple tune, to every home, all of his hand, down with the hand, ding, triple tune, to every home, ding, 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 dong, ding, 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 dong, ding. Snowbound mountains, snowbound valleys, snowbound plateaus, lying Little eyes full, little good Saint Joseph, come this night. Let me find more snow, hip hop on, hop hop, oh, sleigh bells ringing, gaily singing, merrily we go.
Like a white whistle blowing, crisp and light with sharpness blowing, we are going onward through the night. Hey-o-la, hey-o-la.
Let me find more snow, hip hop on, hop hop, oh, sleigh bells ringing, gaily singing,
Merrily we go. Like a white whistle blowing, crisp and light with sharpness blowing, we are going onward through the night.
Hey-o-la, hey-o-la. Let me find more snow, hip hop on, hop hop, oh, sleigh bells ringing, gaily
boycott, but especially from the Voices of Liberty. We hope you have a happy Hanukkah, a Merry Christmas,
And Happy New Year.
happy holidays, everyone.